How to create a Freecash account. So first you want to open up your browser, whether on your computer or your mobile device, and head to this link for the website. You can find the link below in the description to sign up for free. Now, to sign up, you will need to either enter an email address and a password, which is the old way, or you can basically sign up faster using a Gmail or Google account, or Facebook or Apple, depending on which one you want to use to sign up. And once you click on that option, it will ask you to sign into your email address or Facebook. And once you do that, you should be basically signed up to your Freecash account, and your Freecash account should be created. And then you can basically start using it to do offers and withdraw earnings and stuff like that. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.